back to my channel, and I'm Bella. Today I'm gonna make brownies. So you need flour, and then wait just to get looking up the recipe. So yeah, you need flour. So you need a bowl, and so I'm gonna add the flour. Okay, so they're called best brownies, and yeah. Okay, so you need flour. You need 1 cup of white sugar, right here. Okay. And then you need 2 eggs. Let's make it dirty. Okay, there's 1. And there's 2. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, I'm back. Now, no, it's not turning on.